Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. This is Pooja. I am an intuitive and psychic tarot reader, and today we are going to do a love reading for Libra. Let's see what's happening for Libra in their love life. This is just a love reading, general love reading, so it won't resonate with every Libras out there. Please check your moon, rising and Venus signs, okay? If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. I also provide personal readings, so if you're interested, please check the description box. I have mentioned all the links and necessary information in the description box. Let's start. What's happening for Libra in their love life for the month of October? Libra. Okay, the first card we have is the Five of Cups. This is a water sign energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy. Let's see what's more is coming up for Libra in their love life in the month of October. The next we have is the Empress, Taurus energy. Beautiful. Three of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. The next we have is the Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Good. What more do we have for Libra in the month of October going towards November? The Hierophant. Beautiful. What more do we have for the month of October for Libra? By Five of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Two of Cups, another water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but a beautiful energy. The last for Libra, okay, Seven of Swords, another fire, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, this is the first one. And the bottom of the deck is the beautiful energy, Wheel of Fortune. What better it can get? This is the outcome of the reading. The bottom of the deck is the outcome. Okay, I have mentioned all the signs, so I won't repeat it. So Libra, the major theme of what I'm getting for Libra you is you are becoming stronger and stronger emotionally day by day. You are understanding your value in this relationship. Okay, you're taking stand for yourself. You are keeping your dignity, maintaining your integrity. You are being very strong. Okay, going towards November, even in the month of November, what I intuitively feel for you guys is you are going towards the calmer waters. Okay, there is a lot of strength and a level of calmness and peacefulness, sorted out. You will be feeling very sorted out in the month of October for the rest of the month, and I'm sure in the month of November is just going to be very beautiful for you. Okay. Yeah. What I also see here is maybe some of you were dealing with a person who is already engaged with someone or involving third party situation. It is from your side or their side, I really don't know. But you're coming out of that. Your person is realizing, okay, the sense of hurt, pain, disheartening situations that were caused. Okay, you were feeling a sense of loss. You were feeling as if someone is being stolen from you. Okay, maybe someone was trying to get along with your person or trying to steal them from you. Okay, see, no one can steal your person, okay, from you. If your person is strong enough, if they love you really from your heart, if they are really committed to you, they are really loyal to you, no one can really steal your person. It is not a thing that this person must have a lot of feelings for you for not to give up on you for someone else. Okay, you really need to understand that. Many of you are dealing with someone who was dealing with a third party situation, but now what I'm seeing here is they are coming back to you. They want you back. Okay, after a sense of loss, after a sense of push and pull, you are getting your person back to you. They will be chasing you. They will be this person just feels a lot of pull towards you. They can't keep themselves away from you, not emotionally, not physically. They want to be with you. Okay, I'm seeing someone has taken a lot of time to come back to you. They are wanting to gain your trust back. Okay, they are trying to gain your trust back and jump back in with you and get along with you. They want to retreat with you, they want to get along with you with a lot of pure emotions. The person who is coming back, I'm just sensing them being more clear that they want you. They have no confusion, no unclarity when it comes to you. They have a lot of clarity. They know this can go long term, because you are in this Empress energy. You are loving yourself. You are taking care of your feelings, emotions. You are grooming yourself. You are taking time for yourself, Libra. Okay, and after a long time, Libra, you are seeing something better coming for yourself. Okay, you will see wheels are turning in your favor. You will be experiencing a lot of positivity. Okay, everything will be falling in place for you. Your wishes will be granted. Okay, whatever was lost will be regained, but with pure intentions, with a lot of love, with a lot of affection. Okay, it's not just that they are coming back just for the sake of coming back, but this person is bringing a lot of stability, a lot of clarity in this connection. Okay, and universe, spirit guides, angels, they are just helping them to gravitate back to you. They're pulling them back to you, because this relationship is meant to last long. But I'm definitely sure they took a lot of time to realize, because Knight of Pentacles is here. This person took a lot of time to come to this realization that they love you. They want you back. They want to build a stable relationship with you, a long-term relationship with you. They took a really long time, I know. But they are coming back with good intentions. They don't have any bad intentions whatsoever to hurt you, or no matter what. Okay, because why this happened? Because you did not beg, because you did not allow this person to walk over you. You took yourself up. You stood up for yourself. Okay, and this is sure. This is come out of self-love, self-respect. Okay, you are bearing fruits of whatever you have lost. You have put in so much efforts. You have put in so much love and affection and attention and time and everything. Okay, so yeah, better things are coming, don't worry. What more do we have from the oracles? For Libra, what's coming up for Libra, please? The first we have is the wisdom. I told you, you have a lot of clarity now within you. You seek answers within you. You know everything you need to know. You will be given answers. You will be given signs and omens. And you have a lot of clarity in your vision about a particular situation in your life, specifically with someone you're dealing with. Okay, so wisdom is something you own now. You have a lot of wisdom. You know everything inside and out. Okay, their intentions, their whether they are honest or not, delight. See, simply sense of peacefulness, simply a sense of calmness around you, delight. Okay, joyfulness, happiness. This is coming towards you. Okay, what more do we have for Libra, please? The next card we have is Wonders. You're going to experience something that is really you were expecting it to happen, but finally it is coming forth. It is presenting itself to you. Okay, something really beautiful is going to happen, and just be ready to dive into it. Okay, you will be amazed. You will be carried away. Okay, what more do we have from the handwritten messages? These are my handwritten messages. Let's see, what do we have for you? What do we have for Libra, please? I don't want that many at a time. Okay, what do we have for Libra? The first we have is socialize. Maybe you're going to connect with someone, or reconnect with someone via social media, or you just need to socialize more. Okay, or maybe you're doing that more. Sorry, someone is going to apologize to you. Someone saying sorry to you. Maybe you're dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarian energy. What more do we have? Peaceful. I told you, you're going towards a peaceful situation now. Okay, we have three more ego clashes. Maybe the person you're dealing with had a lot of ego issues. You're shifting from a negative energy to a positive one. and reconciliation. This was what I was talking about. Okay, so beautiful energy Libra, I hope you liked the reading. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.